Nouns. Nouns are an important part of speech. In this lesson, we will learn about nouns with easy examples so that English grammar becomes simple and fun to understand. What is a noun? Let's learn in a very easy way. A noun is a word we use to name a person, a place, or an animal, a thing, or even an event. Nouns are very important in English, and remember, nouns have many different types. We will learn about them one by one with fun and easy examples. Now we are going to learn about two special types of nouns, proper nouns and common nouns. You will see them again and again while reading and speaking, so let's learn about them step by step in a fun and easy way. Let's learn about a common noun. Common noun is a general name of a thing, place, or a person. For example, book. Remember, common nouns do not start with a capital letter. Easy and fun, right? Let's learn more together. Now let's look at a proper noun. A proper noun is a specific name, for example, Miss Anna. Proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Easy to spot, right? Now it's your turn. Let's try together, look carefully and think. Is it a common noun or a proper noun? You can do it. Look at this word, April. What do you think? Is it a common noun or a proper noun? Let's check. Yes, April is a proper noun. The word is Christmas. Is it a general thing or is it a special name for a special day? Take a second, lock in your answer. Alright, Christmas is actually proper noun because it's the official name of a holiday. The word is pencil. Is it the name of one special pencil in the whole universe? Or is it just a general everyday thing we all use to write, draw, and doodle? Got your answer ready? Alright, a pencil is a common noun because it's not one specific name. It's just a regular object. Here is another word, that is watch. Now think, is it the name of one very famous, one-of-a-kind watch? Or is it just a general thing we wear to check the time? Got your answer? Ding ding! It's a common noun. Yay! You all did such a fantastic job thinking and guessing today. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. Thank you so much for joining this little learning adventure. And guess what? We are not done having fun yet. This story is just getting started. So stay curious, keep smiling, and keep your brains buzzing because this is to be continued. See you next time, friends.